What's going on, Facebook world? Is this thing on? This is my new computer coming to you live. This is David Lamoureux. I'm very excited to come on here. How are you guys doing today? How many of you out there would like to learn how to use KPIs to build your business even while you're super busy? For those of you out there that don't know what KPIs are, you need to know what KPIs are. Otherwise, you will be wasting your time on things that don't bring you income. And I know this because I used to waste my time a whole lot on things that did not bring me income. And I recently just got back from a 10-year anniversary event conference, national conference for my company. And we learned about KPIs. And so I want to share it with you guys because it kind of cleared some things up for me and just helped me to be more productive with my time. How many of you out there would like to be more productive with your time, right? Give me a second while I get acquainted with Facebook Live on my new computer. Okay, cool. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys some things about how to build your business even while you're busy using something called KPIs, okay? And if you stick with me to the end of this thing, I'm going to give you guys a freebie that you can use as a reference note to go back whenever you're confused or whenever you forget what these are. So KPIs are key performance indicators. Okay, I'm going to say that again, key performance indicators. And we learned about something that he was talking about called leading versus trailing indicators, okay? Basically, leading indicators are the actions, the things that you do, and the trailing indicators are the results, right? So how many of you out there want results, right? How many of you out there want more results, like more personal enrollments, more group enrollments, more customers, new distributors, more people on subscription with your company's product or service, okay? Some of you guys out there know that I've been in network marketing and loving it for the past 3 years. So shout out to all of my network marketers out there. I love you guys. This video will really help you out. And for those of you that have not joined a new network marketing company yet, just so you know, the average person loses about $400 every single month just simply because they're not part of a home-based business. So if you don't already have your own home-based business, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? You're literally losing money. It's like driving down driving down to your work with your window open and taking a $20 bill out and throwing it out the window. So get on it. Find something that you can be passionate about and get rolling. So I'm going to be helping you guys learn what leading indicators are, leading actions that are the most high profitable. Okay. The actions that you need to be focusing on that bring you the most money, okay? And at the end of this, if you would like, I can actually share with you the 3 phases of the distributor, okay? That's a little bit bonus, but so the number 1 key performance indicator for the key performance leading indicator is the number of new invitations per day. How many people are you talking to? And this is not just a network marketing thing, this is sales in general. This is a development, a spreadsheet and a slide information that I'm bringing you from decades of sales refining, right? So number of new invitations, okay? Professional sales experts have found that whenever you spend less time talking to people, but you talk to more people, you say less to more people, sales will go up, right? That's just kind of how it is. There was this group of insurance guys, they went door to door, and you can kind of guess what their results were. They weren't very good, but whenever they turned their opening scripts into, hey, you wouldn't happen to be looking for insurance, would you? Or you're not looking for insurance, would you? They used something like that, and their sales went up because they said less to more people, and they got their point across much faster. So I really encourage you guys to say less to more people. It's more duplicatable. Everybody can do it, and it's more simple. Okay, it's faster, and you get higher results with it. So that's number 1. Number 2 is the number of follow-ups that you're doing. Okay, these are the income-producing activities. And guys, I'll let you know, if you're not following up, then you're working too hard. Right? If the majority of your sales are coming from your follow-ups, then following up would be pretty important, wouldn't you say? How many of you out there would agree with me on that? What's going on, Caleb? What's going on, Sherry? Good to see y'all on here. Thanks for joining. If you're watching me by live, then drop a comment. Let me know that you're watching, and give me some thumbs up if you're liking what I'm saying, if you're getting some value out of this. So that's number 2, the follow-ups. Okay, the fortune really is in the follow-up, and I'll tell you what, even a bad follow-up is better than no follow-up. Okay, so you could be giving out new invitations every day, but if you're not following up with those people, then you're losing 90% of your income. Let that sink in for a minute. All right, so following up is very important. Number 3, number of meetings that you're doing, the number of presentations that you're doing, because you could be doing a lot of invitations, right? But less people are going to go to the presentation. Okay, so as you're doing a whole lot of invitations, you have to be tracking the lesser number of people that you're doing presentations for as well too. And for me in my system, we shoot for a goal of 15 presentations a month. Okay, what's going on, Sherry? Thanks for the comment there. I see that. Appreciate you guys. So yeah, the number of presentations. Okay, that's very important. Number 4, the number of guests at meetings, the number of guests at your presentations. You want to be tracking all of this information, because if you can't track it, then you can't measure it and you can't scale it up for growth. You can't figure out where you need to tweak things. So I really encourage you to track these leading indicators, okay? And just so you know, guys, I did not make this up. I learned this from one of my mentors. He's making about, it's over 200,000 a year. His name is Greg Deeker. Shout out to Greg. If you're watching this, my friend, I love you, big guy. You did an awesome job up there on the stage. So number 5, number of team members that are attending your company's big events, your national destination events, okay? Your destination events are a big deal, okay? They get you out of the normal, the humdrum, the regular schedule of life, and it gets you to dream a little bit. It recharges your battery, and it also gets you around the right kind of people to help you dream again, right? Ray Higdon recently said that you don't only want to just hang out with the people that you like, but hang out with the people that help you grow, okay? If you just hang out with the people that are here, and you're here and they're here, then you're only going to stay here. But if you get around people that are up here, then what do you think is going to happen? It's going to pull you up, and then you go higher and higher and higher with the higher level people that you hang out with. So if you want to grow, your income, if you want to grow your life and have more impact on people's lives, I really encourage you to start including people in your circle that are that encourage you to grow. Okay, you don't have to completely ditch all of your old friends, but especially not forever. But for a season, you need to start focusing, putting yourself around a circle of friends, a group of friends that encourage you to grow and that help you, right? So that's that one. Let's see here. That's basically it. That's the 5 leading deals, the 5 leading indicators that you want to track. Just a quick recap: number of invitations a day, number of follow-ups per day, the number of meetings that you're doing, the number of guests at those meetings, and the number of team members that are attending your company's events. And those events could be statewide or they could be national. Okay, so just once a month is very important. So guys, if you like these tips, I really thank you for watching. Drop some value, drop the word value in the comment section below. If you got some value out of this, if you got anything at all, drop some value in the comment section below. And if you would like my screenshots on these slides, then let me know. I will also include the screenshot of the 3 phases of the distributor, what you should be focusing on from enrollment to engagement to independence. How many of you out there would like for your teammates to get independent? Or at least some engagement and get off growing and having success and having more results, right? Don't we all? So if you guys would like that, then just let me know and I'll be sure and get that over to you absolutely free. So what's up, Rocky? What's up, Sean? Good to see you guys on here. I hope that y'all enjoyed it, and I hope that y'all have a good rest of your day. Bye now.